with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing peach lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make.
I am going to start by preparing our simple syrup. Step by step, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We're going to take it to the stove. When the sugar has dissolved completely, we're going to take it off the stove, let it come to room temperature, and then you're ready to make your lemonades and add this amazing simple syrup. And here I have my organic lemons. Of course, they have no seeds. This is just amazing. I am blessed having these lemon trees at home. So here I'm going to slice away. I'm going to get all the juice of these lemons with this little gadget that you could find at Walmart. Let me tell you, when you use this little gadget, you do not leave anything behind. So here I'm removing all that amazing juice. And we're going to need 1.5 cups of lemon juice to make this amazing and delicious peach lemonade. I know that it takes time, but let me tell you, this lemonade comes out perfect every time, delicious and amazing. And here I'm going to continue getting the juice out of these lemons, and then I'll show you how much juice I got from my lemons. Look at this. I got about 1.5 cups of lemon juice. And now I have already peeled completely the peaches. I have a pinch of salt. I have peach extract, color, and flavor. And now I am ready to remove all the pulp. The reason that I remove the skin is because I'm not going to put this in a sifter. So I'm just going to remove the pulp really good and then add everything into my NutriBullet cup. Let me tell you, in this NutriBullet, I only use for my lemonades and my smoothies. I am going to reserve a little bit of the peach for the garnish of my lemonade. Let me tell you how easy it is. Use the fruit that is in season to make your amazing homemade lemonades. When you make them, you have control of how much sugar you add. 1 pinch of salt, the extract, 1 teaspoon of extract of peach color and flavor. And of course, 1 liter of water, a little bit at a time. And now we are ready to blend away. Look at this. This is going to be so creamy, so nice and thick. And it really doesn't take too long, beautiful family, to enjoy in this hot weather a homemade peach lemonade. And now I am ready to pour into my glass so that you could see how thick, how creamy this is. Look at this. Once you add it in here, you're going to add enough water. Add it in here. I'm going to add the lemon juice. I'm going to add 1 cup of the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video. And the color, the aroma, just perfect. And now I am ready to pour it into my pitcher and enjoy. But let me tell you, my family gets here a little later. So on the pitcher, I'm not going to add any ice. I'm just going to pour my lemonade, put it in the refrigerator, and everyone knows at home that once you start getting your lemonade, add your glass full of ice and then pour your lemonade right on the top. Look at this. I'm going to top it off with more water, and then I am ready to enjoy. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you love it and you enjoy it. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, with the garnish of the peaches. And I have my glass full of ice and peaches right on the top. And I'm ready to pour my lemonade. Can't wait to enjoy.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes.
My friends, I am completely done with this peach lemonade. Let me tell you, when you make it at home, it comes out perfect every time. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So refreshing and so delicious. Yeah. Making, enjoying with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing homemade peach lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.
A woman, a chef, she's your friend.